Hey, you. Hello, sir. Would you like me to tell you about your future? No, thank you. I don't believe in those things about fortune tellers. Sorry. Oh, maybe you don't believe in this, but it doesn't mean it is not true, honey. No, it can't be true. I'm not that innocent. You just lie and invent things about people. Really? So you don't want to know about your future and everything about you, Mr. Parker? Wait, how do you know my name? Do you even know me or what? Who told you my name? There's no need somebody tells me your name. I know everything about you, Rick. You even know my name? How is that possible? I haven't seen you before. Well, I told you I can predict the future, and I can say you will like what I have to say. Okay, let's see. If you really can predict the future, what will happen this Friday? Oh, this Friday you will have an important meeting with directors of your company. Oh my God, that's totally true. And what will this meeting be about? You will discuss about the future of the company and you will have a big problem. What do you mean? I will have a big problem. Why will I have a big problem? Tell me. Are you sure you don't know why? Have you been doing things correctly? Of course. I always try to do the things in the correct way. Why is that? You don't need to lie to me, Mr. Parker. Remember, I know everything about you. Yeah, okay. But I promise, I will never do anything wrong in my life. And what about that business you didn't get to close and that was all your fault? What? How do you know that? Listen, it's truth that I didn't get it, but it wasn't my fault. Oh, even if you were the person who arrived late to meeting and that's why they left? Well, please, don't tell you anyone about it, or I will lose my job in no time. Do not misunderstand, Mr. Rick. I'm not here to hurt you. I'm here to help you. Okay, and how will you suppose to help me with this problem? You don't know my boss. I know everything, Mr. Parker. I even know your boss, Mr. Pickman. I know him very well. Oh, yeah, he is Mr. Pickman. And how will you help me then? Not telling him? No, you will need to travel before the meeting. You will travel to Miami. Why would I travel to Miami? And how will that help me keeping my job? I don't get. The people from the important contract are there. You need to go and talk to them again. Oh, and how will I know if they accept me or not? What will be different this time? You will tell them that if they sign that contract, they will lose everything, including M&A. M&A? What is that? I'm not understanding anything you are saying here. It is a secret company they have. Nobody know about it, except me, and know you too. Oh, okay. I don't know. I think won't be able to do this. It sounds difficult. With me help, you will perfectly not only keep your job, also get an important promotion. That sounds very good, but why are you helping me? I don't understand. I don't know you. Oh, don't worry. Also, I will tell you about your children, your wife, and your perfect life. Children? Wife? What are you talking about? I don't have any children or wife. No, you don't know. But you will get married the next year and you will have 2 children. Oh, who would say that? Me? Married? I've never thought about it before, you know. I know, but you surely will do it in the future. Also, you won't have any money problems. That sounds logical. If I get the pay rise, I will get good amount of money every month. No, that won't be the reason why you won't have money problems, dear. Then why won't I have money problems? Will I win the lottery? Tell me. In fact, you will. You will win the lottery with a very good amount of money. What? Seriously? Oh my god. I can't believe it. I know I was lucky, but you will buy a house on the beach and also your children will play there in summer. Forgot about children. I'm thinking about how to spend that money I will win. Listen, you will need be careful. I need you to listen to me if you want to be successful. Oh, sorry. Of course. What else will happen in my life? Will I travel a lot? Yes, you will. You will travel around the world and you will know many places. Wow, I love traveling so much. And what about my family? Will they move? No, they won't. You will live in other city, but they will visit you very often. Oh, cool. I don't like them to visit me very often. I'm not close to my family, but also you will have an animal shelter to help animals who are abandoned by people. There's no way. I don't like animals. So that can't be possible. I think you're wrong. You are not listening. Are you? I told you I'm here to help you. You have to listen. Okay. Take it easy. I'm listening to you, but that can't be truth. Now, this is important. There's one condition you need to keep in mind to get those things. What? Condition? Why will I have any condition? I don't like conditions at all. You need to change your life now, or you will be alone with all the money. You listen? I don't care being alone. I'm fine being alone. I can spend all the money by myself. Let me be more clear. If you don't change your life, won't get anything, okay? Oh, I see. Then I need to change my life. But how will I do that? I don't know. You will start by apologizing with all the people you have hurt in your entire life. Well, I think I have been a little rude, sometimes with people who didn't deserve it. Also, you will start taking care of animals. You won't hurt or yell any of them. Okay, maybe I was mean with animals too. You're right. In fact, I want to change. And finally, you won't lie anymore to anyone. You will be a good man since now on. Alright, I think I understand. If I want good things happen to me, I need to be a good. It's correct. That's the only way you can get better things. That's the only way. That's it. I'm leaving now. Good luck. Yeah, I see. Thank you very much for that. I really needed this conversation. Bye.